I had to jump on here immediately because what I am about to share with you is potentially game changing for anyone serious about building income through affiliate marketing. Russell Brunson, the guy behind ClickFunnels, who's generated over $1 billion in online sales, just launched a brand new platform called OfferLab. And I got early access before it goes public. If you've been looking for a real way to make money with affiliate marketing, this could be your breakthrough moment. I've been building my business through affiliate marketing for the past 2 years, hit over multiple six figures in revenue, and when I saw what this platform does, I knew I had to get you in on this before the masses find out. So stick with me because this is big. Let me break down what OfferLab actually is and why I'm going all in on this opportunity. Instead of traditional affiliate marketing where you promote one product and get a small commission, maybe 20% or maybe 50% if you're lucky, OfferLab lets you bundle multiple offers together into custom sales funnels with automatic commission splits. Think about it. You could combine a fitness course, meal planning guide, and a workout app into one high value package. Russell Brunson isn't just creating another affiliate network. This is a collaboration platform where creators and affiliates can actually work together. And the timing is perfect because people want complete solutions, not just individual products. I'm personally promoting this and I want every person watching this video to go for it because first, it's completely free to join. No upfront cost, no monthly fees. Second, you get 2% lifetime recurring commissions on everything your referrals sell. So if someone you refer makes $100,000 in sales, you earn $2,000 that keeps growing over time. And there's more. During this launch phase, you even earn 100% commissions on their $497 certification program. That means when someone signs up through your link, you keep the entire $497. I have never seen 100% commissions on a program this valuable. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this certification? The OfferLab certification isn't just about commissions though. You are getting trained directly by Russell Brunson on how to become what they call a super affiliate. This is education that people usually pay thousands for, and you're learning from the guy who literally created the modern sales funnel industry. But what makes this even better is you don't need your own products to start. You can go into OfferLab right now, find proven offers that are already converting, and start promoting immediately. No product creation, no customer services, just focus on connecting the right product with the right people. Now, I'm being completely transparent about the timeline. The platform launches to the public on September 3rd. Right now, it's pre-launch, which means you can get in before everyone else discovers it. Historically, the early adopters in opportunities like this see the biggest results. I've been in affiliate marketing long enough to know that most opportunities come and go. But when someone with Russell's track record of over $1 billion in online sales launches something new, you pay attention. This isn't some random guru, this is the guy who built the industry. I could sit here and talk about this all day. But the most important thing is taking action. The link is in the description below. Click it and join the program completely free. No credit card required, no hidden fees, nothing. Once you're inside, I strongly recommend going for the OfferLab certification for $497. And remember, you earn 100% commissions during this launch phase. So your very first sale covers your entire investment and puts you in profit. You have a limited window before this goes mainstream after September and gets flooded with competition. Click the link below, get your free account, and let's start building something incredible together. See you inside the OfferLab.